Spanish words that we use in our everyday life. Can you guess some words also? Hola y bienvenidos. Welcome to Spanish with Pallavi. Y buenas tardes, good evening. So in this video, we are going to learn some new Spanish words that we use in our everyday life and in our daily conversation, from English to Spanish. So if you want to learn new Spanish words, or you're a beginner, or just want to add some Spanish words, new Spanish words to your vocabulary list, then this video is for you. So we are diving into 50 essential Spanish words that we are going to learn from English to Spanish. You are going to learn some new words which is related to the family, the relations, the household items, the items that we use in our daily life. It is related to the house also. These kind of words we are going to learn in today's video. So you can also note down these words. You can take a notebook or note it down. All these words that we are going to learn today. Eventually, we are going to learn the pronunciation of these words, the accents in Spanish language, and how do we pronounce, how do we say these Spanish words like a native speaker. So repeat after me, let's start. First, let's start the family words. This is mother. How do we say that in Spanish? Madre. Madre. Father, padre. Padre. Brother, hermano. Hermano. The H is silent. Hermano. Sister, hermana. Hermana. Family, familia. Familia. Son, hijo. Hijo. Daughter, hija. Hija. Parent, padres. Padres. Grandfather, abuelo. Abuelo. Grandmother, abuela. Abuela. Children, hijos. Hijos. Husband, esposo. Esposo, spouse. Wife, esposa. Esposa. Aunt, tia. Tia. Uncle, tío. Tío. Now let's start household related vocabulary. House is casa. Casa. Room will be cuarto. Cuarto. Kitchen, cocina. Cocina. Room, dormitorio. Dormitorio. Bathroom, baño. Baño. Living room, sala de estar. Sala de estar. Garden, jardín. Jardín. Furniture related vocabulary, let's start. Sofa, sofa. Sofa. Door will be puerta. Puerta. Window, ventana. Ventana. Table, mesa. Mesa. Chair, silla. Silla. Bed, cama. Cama. Lamp, lampara. Lampara. TV, televisión or tele. Televisión or tele. Common household items: fridge, refrigerador. Refrigerador. Oven, horno. Horno. Phone, teléfono. Teléfono. Computer, computador. Computador. Book will be libro. Pen, bolígrafo. Bolígrafo. Pencil, lápiz. Lápiz. Cup, taza. taza. Plate, plato, plato. Glass, vaso, vaso. Spoon, cuchara, cuchara. Stove, estufa, estufa. Pillow, almohada, almohada. Blanket, manta, manta. Shower, ducha, ducha. Soap, khabon, khabon. Curtain, cortina, cortina. Garage, garage, garage. Carpet, alfombra, alfombra. Mirror, espejo, espejo. Bottle, botella, botella. So that was it. These were the Spanish words that we use in our everyday life, the items that we see in our house, the family member names, the words which are related to the household items that we use in our daily life, everyday life. Keep learning Spanish, and if you want to learn more Spanish, how do you create sentences in Spanish, how do we construct Spanish sentences, what is the pronunciation of these following sentences, and the essential Spanish phrases, I have this playlist, and I'm going to put all the links for all these playlists and all these videos in the description part of this video. So if you want to learn Spanish more, then watch these following videos that I'm putting the link of in the description part. Watch these videos, keep learning Spanish. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. There are so many types of videos and shorts on my channel, Spanish with Pallavi. Adios, hasta pronto.